What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Jonqueria Kijana, and I'm back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title already, today's video will be me trying on this U-part wig that my friends from Alipearl sent over to me. And the wig is a 22-inch body wave, y'all. When I say the wig feels amazing, I never had a U-part wig, but I promise you I will always get them now, seriously, because it's very convenient. It's very quick to throw on. And it's honestly way better than a lace front wig. Better than glue having to go in your hair. All this extra stuff. It's way better. But all y'all see me doing right here, I'm showing you guys everything that they sent me over with my wig. They sent me a wig cap, a wig band, a headscarf, edge brush. They sent me all the little goodies. And just make sure you guys go over and shop with my friends from Alipearl. Everything will be in my description box below, and also the link to this particular wig will be in my description box below. So after you finish watching this video, make sure you go over and visit my description box and click on the link and go visit their website, Alipearl Hair. Okay, but before we get right into this video, I want to make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys comment on this video, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed already. And also make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already. And I hope you guys love this video. Hope you enjoy watching it, because I enjoy making it for you guys. And yeah, let's get right into this video after I finish showing y'all this wig. Okay.